you recycle? The EPA estimates that 75% of Americans' waste stream is recyclable, but we only recycle about 30% of it, according to DoSomething.org. My family has always recycled. My job has always been to take out the recycling bin every Tuesday night so the recycling men can come pick it up in the morning. My parents have always preached how important it was, but when I went to my friend's house, I realized that they didn't always recycle. But then I realized that anyone can actually help the earth by recycling. The need for recycling is prominent, it is simple to do, and there are many benefits that come with recycling, and also there are problems if we do not recycle. Today, I'll begin by talking about the need for recycling, and then I'll explain how simple it is to do, and end with the benefits of recycling, as well as the problems if we do not recycle. There are many reasons as to why we need to recycle, according to conserveenergyfuture.com. The first thing is that it will reduce pollution. If there are less buying of new products because more products are recycled, we will save energy. The reduction in gases will clean the environment and air, and if there's cleaner air, we will have healthier lives. It will also reduce the number and size of landfills. If we don't recycle, landfills in cities will start affecting the environment and the wildlife. It also conserves energy, conserves materials, and reduces waste. New products are made from raw materials that use natural resources. This affects wildlife and the environment. If we recycle more and less new products are made, we will not use as many materials. The waste in landfills, this is becoming a big problem. According to the Journal of Environment Health, the U.S. generates at least 4.5 pounds of household solid waste per day per person. In a small town with a population of slightly higher than 20,000, which is a little bit bigger than Marietta, household waste can easily translate into about 100,000 pounds per day. If we recycle more, we will reduce the amount of waste and save space in landfills. Recycling will also save energy because there will be less of a demand for new products, so there will be less products produced, so we will save energy and fight climate change. We will also save money because we will rely more on old products, so they will cost less because we have to make as many new products. This money can also be used for many different things. Overall, recycling will improve everyone's lives. The economy will be better because better recycling programs will provide for more raw materials. We will also create more jobs. According to starkstate.edu, recycling in the U.S. is a $236 billion a year industry. More than 56,000 recycling and reuse enterprises employ 1.1 million workers nationwide. This will also affect the individual because it will prevent global warming, save energy, reduce wastes, reduce pollution, and help the environment. Now that you've realized that the need for recycling is prominent, I will tell you how simple recycling is. I think everyone should choose to recycle regularly. You can easily get a recycling bin from your local Walmart or Lowe's, or your trash service may provide one. You can start by collecting appropriate items. Some appropriate items are bottles that are made of plastic, jars made of glass, or even cardboard like egg cartons or Pop-Tart. The world would be a better place and there'll be many improvements, and you and yourself will make a difference in the world. There have also been many good results. According to Japanese psychological research, this program, which was a recycling program, has succeeded in significantly reducing the net amount of disposables. An approximate reduction of 163 grams of waste per person was achieved in 3 months, an almost 25% reduction compared with the previous years. As you can see, recycling is simple and there's almost no hassle to it, and there have been many good results. Now that you see that's not hard to do, there are many benefits and problems if we do not recycle. The benefits will help everyone. We will reduce the waste sent to landfills. We will conserve natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. This prevents pollution because we will reduce on collecting raw materials. This will reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which will help in climate change. It will help sustain environment for the future. It will also create new jobs in the recycling and manufacturing industries. This will all lead to a better overall life. There are also many negatives that will happen if we do not start recycling. According to southcoastenergychallenge.org, landfills will fill up and the smells and the toxic substances can enter our environment. The pollution can cause problems such as cancer. Also, natural habitats will be destroyed by cutting down the trees in landfill space. As you can see, everyone needs to recycle because there are many benefits to recycling and also many problems. Everyone needs to start recycling because there is a need for it. It is quite simple, and the impact you can have on this earth is startling. I want everyone in this audience to start recycling, and I will continue to recycle, and I will also promote recycling, especially to my kids when I have them in the future. Recycling will change the world. Do you want to be a part of that? Don't stop it, don't stop it.
We're still here.